Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about HP Omen gaming components. So friend, HP Omen has announced new gaming components including single 120 mm RGB fan, triple pack of 120 mm modular RGB fan, 1000 watt modular power supply, and 240 mm LCD liquid cooling solution and 360 mm RGB liquid cooling solution. And HP confirmed this component will work with non-Omen desktop, giving PC builders more flexibility and the fan feature an accurate design to help increase the airflow up to 74 CFM while reducing vibration through improved static pressure. And each fan include RGB LEDs that is a customizable via HP Omen Gaming Hub. So friend, the HP's daisy chain system up to 10 fan and correct up to 16 fan through a single Omen modular hub. In the AIO liquid cooler use hashtag 7th generation pump with a built 2.5-inch LCD IPS display with ARGB generation to lightning effect with OGH, and HP is also offering Oman 1000 watt ATX 3.1 PSU with cybernetics platinum with 80 plus gold certification, and the power supply is fully modular featuring 12 volt 2 into 6 and 12 PHPWR connector with up to 600 watt of power and 0 RPM fan mode for quiet operation, while specific release date and pricing haven't been announced. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.